Hi, wonderful present here. This is Surya, working as an assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Lakshmi College of Arts and Science. And today we are going to see about the deployment in React.js. Already we saw what is deployment and how it works. And now we are going for the recap. That's the jQuery Ajax that goes along with Ajax or get or post to communicate each and every backend service to continue update backend integrations and to avoid the conflicts with the React which will do. So and this prefer the modern alternatives like Axios. So now we are moving along with the deployment. What is a deployment? We can go, that is deployment means making your React command, okay, and the run build command along with the Netflix C, that is easy drag and drop vessel, that is ideal or Ajax, React or Next.js. So next point is Git up pages, and the final is Firebase hosting. These are the deployment platforms. And first of all, we can move with the step-by-step process. First thing, visit the Netfly, log in the GitHub, and third, create a new site and go along with the build command and deployment it will open. And here the deployment is used to the building the optimization production files and uploading the hosting Netlify. And here we are going to see about the linear search. What is a linear search? First of all, we want to think the linear search will complete the development with the React app. Second one, it runs the npm build, they generate the productivity ready built folder. And the third one, choose the hosting platform where the GitHub pages or Vessel or Netlify is used. And the fourth one, to upload the build folder or connect or anything. And the fifth one is URL with test deployed app. And here we saw the linear search, right? And next, real life example. So here the real life example is, first of all, we want to go along with the portfolio website that gives React for the public access. Second one, normally we are using the e-commerce platform, Netlify or customer browse product, and dashboard along with the company usage for the vessel. And the final is blog platform on GitHub pages. And next one is deployment, how the deployment is used and what are the best method to use the deployment. It delves into the various method and goes along with the React application and the essential tools, environment, strategies that develop with the smooth and efficient deployment process. Okay. And next one is understanding the deployment. First, we want to understand the deployment, how it contact the web application and transfer the process of moving the application from deployment to production. Second one, the importance of deployment, how the user experiences performance, security, and applications. And deployment environment, the applications are typically deployed into the development staging, production environment, and servicing with the distinct purpose. Okay. And what are the tools are used in this deployment? First thing is build tool, second one version tool, third one CI and CD tools. First, build tools, it uses this JavaScript files optimizing the code for the efficient loading. Second one, version control system, it's a critical tracking changes with collaboration and code management. And CI CD tools, it gives the testing process efficiency and productive quick feedback. And next one is hosting options for the React application. Static hosting, cloud provider, and platform. Three methods are there. First thing, static. It's with single page React application with the easy deployment for Git responsibilities. And cloud provider, the dynamic React application service for the high traffic. Platform as service. Each and every platform is used for auto scaling along with the rollback of fast deployment. And here we are going to see about the best practice of the deployment. First one is environmental variables, that is critically it is managing the configuration, keeping sensitive data secure. And second one is performance optimizations. The performance optimizations have an application speed techniques that goes along the code splitting or lazy loading. And the final one is monitoring and logging, essential for maintaining each and every application health by tracking the errors and performance. And the post deployment consideration, we have three things. First, we want to test and feedback. We want to collect the feedback. And rollback strategy, it comes under the quick built-in conversation. Security measures, how the access securities are measured and audit or proceed across the things. Okay. And recap. Again, we are going to recap the deployment in React.js. First thing, we want to build step-by-step process and optimize with JS and CSS assist, hosting the platform along with the Vercel, Netlify and GitHub places. And the final one, post-deployment, use URL, monitor performance and HTTPs. Here I have given some of the few puzzles to engage yourself, and you can find out the answers below. And tomorrow's interaction, we can go with the HTTP request in React.js that communicate with the server fetch. And you can gather what is get, post, put, daily, usually handle with the fetch and Axios. And data fetching with handlers and the user profile dynamically with the users. So the tomorrow topic is HTTP stir in React.js. So we can go along with the next topic. Okay, thank you all.